So guys, this is what we should be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. I literally told you guys that Swiss franc JPY will be giving us a bullish move, right? And guess what market did give us? It eventually did give us that bullish move, although it was a little bit of a movement, little bit of a bullish move, right? Above all, our movement was that our prediction was that markets will be giving us a bullish move, which markets eventually did give us that bullish move, right? It gave us about 30 pips bullish move for the day. So with this movement, we should expect market to continue that bullish move. So reason is very simple. If you are to zoom it out, you see that your overall trend for your Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move. This is the overall trend, right? Our overall trend on Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move right here. So we can see right here, market was able to rally up to tap this resistance. Then we go to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance, right? Then it rejected from the resistance and dropped back to tap our support. Market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance, right? You can see it gave us that bullish foot that came to tap our resistance. Now with this moment, it is rejecting. So of course, you all know in the long run, you should drop to tap the support level, right? That is what you should be expecting. In the long run, you should drop to tap the support level. But when you take a look at what market is doing, especially when you go to your forward time frame, right here, you see that market is literally dropping. So many market is rejecting from our rejection zone, which is the resistance level. So market did give us a triple top right here. So the first touch, second touch, before markets eventually drop, to break the neckline right here. Market has given us this pullback, which is the lower high. Now this is your drop, which is your lower low. This can also be seen as your lower high. So we should expect the market to give us that drop for the day that will form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So a bearish move for the day is what we should be expecting on Swiss franc. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on any single updates.